What's up, guys? We just got the Prelude unloaded out of the trailer from this weekend, and I'm still really stoked on the 9-second pass. The car did amazing, and yeah, I'm just really excited to push the car even farther. I mean, this thing went nearly 160 miles an hour at the event, so that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that last video. But today we're going to be doing some more work on the MR2. So in the last video I did about this thing, I was getting some more work done on the intercooler, and today is pretty much going to be the same thing. I'm going to be doing some welding, and I got some holes to cut out, and I think I'm just going to start with hole sawing these 2.5-inch holes out right here, and also get this 4-inch hole sawed out, and then just start welding from there. I don't have any of the 4-inch intercooler pipe in just yet, so I'm not going to be able to weld this outlet on just yet, but I will be able to probably get this end tank and everything done on this side. I might even get it fully welded to the intercooler core. So we'll just see how far I get today, and I also do want to get the bottom of this trunk cut out right here and then start figuring out what I'm going to do to kind of hold the intercooler up in the air, like what I should do for the mounting points and stuff like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and get started by cutting out the intercooler pipe holes on both end tanks, and it's just going to be a chill day of working on the MR2 and whatever else we got going on. All right, I just got the outside of this end tank all welded up. I think the welds are coming out really good, really happy with how it is looking, but I'm getting really low on welding rod right now, and I still have to weld up the inside of everything. I only have one weld right there, and then I still have to get the 2.5-inch outlets on there, and then I still have the other one to get done, and I can only do this in short bursts. I'm just kind of doing a couple welds at a time because the TIG torch will start to get really hot, because I have to have this thing turned all the way up to weld this really thick aluminum. I don't have a water cooler on my TIG welder or anything like that, so I'm just playing it safe and not getting the torch too hot. But I've just been letting this cool off for a while now, and Hayden actually just messaged me, and he said he needs a ride home for some reason. I guess he doesn't have a car wherever he's at, so I'm actually gonna go pick him up because where he's at is pretty close to the welding supply store, and I'm gonna go over there and pick up some more aluminum rod so I can continue to get this done. Probably gonna get some food as well, but I'm gonna go do that right now so we can come back and get these end tanks all welded up. All right, so we just got back to my house. I got Hayden dropped off because he was stranded where he was at, but now he has his RSX, so he can go home. And that's just why I go under the car cover over there, because it was raining last night, so I had to put a cover over it. But we got our welding rod right here, so I'm ready to head back to the shop. We just went and got some food. Didn't do really anything for the last couple hours other than that. Yeah, but just been straight editing videos this whole like 8-9 hours. That's all you've been doing? Yeah, I was hungry. Yeah, we've both been, everyone's just been dead after the event. Yeah, it was a big one. It was fun though. It was definitely worth it. It was. It's always chaos, but it's worth it. Yep, it was sick, but I'm getting ready to head back to the shop right now. Now that we got our fresh set of rod, we can keep welding on the MR2's intercooler and go from there. I'm gonna come by, check it out. Yeah, don't you have something to get from Jamie? Yeah, some Mustang parts. I'm gonna try and put like some 95 to 99 Mustang parts on the front of the RX-7, so. Oh, nice. So I can do a 5-lug setup with them. Oh, that'd be sweet. Yep. Yep, we're gonna head back to the shop. All right, back at the shop, and I got the inside of this end tank all welded up. Not the prettiest welds on the inside. Some of them did come out pretty good though. But the important thing is that this is completely welded inside and out, so we don't have to worry about this thing coming apart on us. And all of the outside welds are done, except for the 2.5-inch pipes that are about to go on there. But I'm really happy with how all of these welds came out. That one right there came out really good. But yeah, I've just been letting this cool off in between cycles of welding, because the torch, like I said, gets really hot, and then the aluminum gets really hot, and I'm trying my best not to quench it too often, letting it air cool. But right now I'm getting ready to weld these 2.5-inch pipes on, and then this end tank will be completely done. I'm gonna do the same thing and weld those inside and out, and then we can get this guy onto the core. And with how long I have to wait for everything to cool down. I don't think I'm gonna get to this one today, guys, but I do think I can at least get this one finished up and hopefully tack to the core. Maybe I'll start fully welding it. We'll just see how far we get, but this is definitely taking a lot longer than I had thought. It does take a lot of time to get all these welds done, but we're getting there. All right, I got the end tank tacked to the intercooler core. I got this thing completely welded inside and out. So now the only thing left to do for this side will just to be get this completely welded on, and then this side will be done. And then I also did take an angle grinder and I beveled this edge on the end tank all the way around so that when I go to weld this, we'll get some good penetration and we don't have to worry about that guy coming off. It'll be nice and strong. And yeah, I still have to get the other end tank done, but I'm going to wait until I get the 4-inch intercooler pipe. I still have to get that ordered. I'm going to do that tonight. We have a place local, so that should be here in the next couple days. But then once I get that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this side knocked out as well. Definitely spent a lot of time welding today. I did not think it was gonna take me that long to get the other end tank done, but is what it is. I didn't realize how long it was gonna take me to fully weld the inside and outside of that thing. That's basically all we got done for today, guys. Like I said, spent a lot of time just welding, but got to get it done to move forward with the project. Emilio was busy today as well, helping a friend move. So I'm getting ready to head out for tonight, and I'm actually meeting my friend Nick at the skate park. And I figured I'd bring you guys along with me since we didn't have too much content in this video. Just spent most of the day welding and fabricating this intercooler, which does take some time. And I figured it'd be good to change it up every now and then, show you guys what else we got going on outside of the shop. All these videos seem to just be kind of stuck here. So I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. I'm going to the skate park right now. For those of you that don't know, I ride a scooter. Say what you want about it, but I think it's fun. And yeah, we're gonna go right now. What up? Just chilling?
Yeah, dude, just shredded.
By the way, this is Nick's girlfriend, Tay. She was in that last video and everyone's like, who's the girl with no pants on? That was just her chilling. They were working on her truck.
Yep.
For reference. So, hi, Tay.
Hi.
But yeah, we're just gonna chill and do some stuff. I forgot my helmet, so I'm not doing anything too crazy like backflips and stuff, but yeah, we're just hanging out.
A 720.
You want me to do a 720?
Yeah.
All right, I got you.
720 it.
All right, guys, we got a couple skate park clips, but the mosquitoes are eating us up. So
Pretty bad tonight.
yeah, we're heading out. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit. I don't know what I'll do with all those videos, but we'll throw them together somehow. All right, so I was going to make a video of what I got done yesterday on the intercooler for the MR2, but I actually just got everything else I needed to finish this thing up. I just got some 4-inch intercooler piping, and I already got that guy tacked onto this end tank right here. And I already went ahead and got this end tank all welded up. It is welded inside and out as well. And yeah, I figured I would just go ahead and get the intercooler finished for this video. So I've just been working really hard on this the last couple days. So it's kind of hard to get content when all I'm doing is literally just welding nonstop for several hours today and yesterday and the day before. But yeah, I do plan on having the intercooler done for today, so I'm just kind of burnt out. I've just been welding, hustling, trying to get this thing done, but it is almost there. I think after a few more hours of work, the intercooler will be done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this all one video. So sorry if this video is gonna be coming out a few days late, but is what it is. Sometimes you just gotta put the camera down and get some stuff done, but we are getting there. All right, guys, the intercooler for the MR2 is completely done. I got both end tanks welded on and everything is welded inside and out, and I'm really happy with how this thing came out. A lot of the welds look really good. So yeah, she's ready, guys. So now what we need to do is get the bottom of the trunk right here cut out and figure out how to mount this thing. And then today we also got some 4-inch piping. So we have a 90-degree bend right here. We have some straight. This one I cut the end off for the intercooler just now. But then there's another 90 down there and some clamps, and I'm using that stuff to make a charge pipe for the MR2. We got some couplers. I think I mentioned that the other day. But yeah, we're coming along, and the intercooler's done. So one last thing out of the way. I spent the last 2 days just knocking this thing out. It was a lot of work, a lot of welding, but it's worth it in the end. This thing came out sweet. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. And I hope you enjoyed. And sorry if this wasn't the most exciting video. It was just a lot of fabrication and work. So yeah, that's gonna be it in the next video. I plan on getting this thing mounted in the car and just keep going from there. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.